Ripple Effect Ecotours is an adventure outfitter that's based out of the Marineland Marina. We saw the need to really bring people out and show them and showcase this wonderful area in Northeast Florida. Our premise is ethical and sustainable ecotourism.
Now we do want to edge towards the left side, and you'll see there's oysters direct.
Our guides are professional biologists and naturalists that are steeped in all the things that make up a complete estuarine system back here. It's a profound area that supports a Class II watershed, some of the highest water quality in the state. The unique thing about this area is it's seen very little in terms of development. Just 15 minutes out of St. Augustine and 10 minutes into a kayak, they're looking at an area that really looks very much the same as it did coming out of the last ice age. And people are absolutely blown away. We round a corner out of a creek and it's just a 6-mile expanse of an estuarine lagoon that just looks so incredible. We take out generational families. Usually we'll have kids from 6 years old all the way up to 80 years old on our tours. If folks are not wanting to do the paddling, because there is a bit of fitness involved in that, then we offer our biodiesel jet boat tour, which has full couch seating all the way around. Of our 200 wild dolphins that live out back here, no chance in hindering their ability to feed, because the decibel level that's given off from a jet boat is about half of what you'd see from a typical propeller boat. We also have our manatees passing through in the summer months. The birds that come through here, we see over 1/3 of the nation's birds actually fly right down this. This is part of the East Coast Flyway, so our spring and fall migrations are just exceptional.
We're coming around the grass to the left.
That's when we get those moments of, wow, we never knew anything like this ever even existed. That's where the epiphany happens, if you will. That's where people really look at this and go, this is exactly what we were looking for.